Hello, welcome to the John and Dad Show.
We're back.
This is part 2 of the Ralph Breaks the Internet pop vinyls because in our last video we did of them, I didn't have time to show Knows More in the last video. So, here he is.
Knows More.
So I get to show him in this video.
And he is the favorite. You want me to move yes out of your way? Yes.
And Knows More is like my favorite one of the whole set.
He is cute. Why is he the favorite? Tell us more about him.
Because he was the one that I really wanted to get out of that whole set.
In the movie? Was he unique?
Yeah, he was like really funny in the movie, and that's the reason why I wanted him. Because he's like super cute. He has like glasses on, a graduation hat. He's holding a piece of chalk.
I am Knows More. What's his voice sound like?
This is Knows More. What can I help you
This is
find
Knows
today?
More. What can I find for you?
Remember that?
And he would interrupt you with a guess like,
Ergonomics?
ergonomics? Are you talking about this? Nose art? Do you see it? Filled out? Yeah. Because that's what the search engine on the internet does. When you start typing in what you're looking for, it tries to auto-complete. So I will auto-complete your suggestion before you ever suggest it. What do you want to know? John and Dad? Dad and John. John and Dad. Funko Pop opening. YouTube. What? I can subscribe? Please.
And so he does his head turn? No, it does not. His head does not
Surprisingly.
turn. Did you think it would?
Most do.
Knows More doesn't. And Fun Bun didn't either.
Since we had to do 2 parts, you want to go ahead and open up those vinyls?
Yeah, we can open these vinyls of Ralph and Vanellope.
Be pretty cool. They're pretty nice.
You can meet Wreck-It Ralph and Vanellope at Disney World. They
They're
just
there.
got there.
They're live. The real Wreck-It Ralph and the real Vanellope. They have a little less detail, but not really. And they don't have that pop vinyl look. So like their eyes look like eyes, and their mouth looks like, they just don't have the pop vinyl, the classic pop vinyl look where the dots are just the black eyes and white eyes and such. They look a little more like a cartoon character toy. And his head turns, I can see that.
They both do.
Let's just show them next to the pop vinyls and kind of demonstrate
And
that.
Vanellope's stand doesn't stay on, so I'll put that on after the show.
Okay.
I'm just going to show her without it. There she is, the vinyl Vanellope. Her head turns.
Let's show her. So this is her. She's got
Turn
good
her
detail.
head.
She has more of a face, and she got good detail on her here. But the 3-dimensional isn't the same. There's just a few dots.
Turn
And
her
whereas
head.
this one, you got the classic pop vinyl black eyes. A little more shiny detail on the clothing. A little more 3-dimensional detail. But less face detail. Classic pop vinyl look.
Here's Ralph. His head turns. Will she stand without
And they're a
it?
little smaller. I think you need to give her the stand.
Okay.
So here's
She might need it.
Ralph with
Oh,
that.
no, she stands.
Here's Ralph.
The pop vinyl.
And then here is the vinyl Ralph. Face. Maybe the vinyl may have even, in some ways, there's a little more of a detailed look to them, but it's not just kind of it's not as shiny and 3-dimensional. Now he's coming off of his stand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's leave Felix off the table for a minute.
Felix doesn't stand. I'll lay him down. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.
Goodbye.